Hello everyone, and welcome to day 3 of our mobility program. Today we're going to be starting out with our bird dog movement. So with this exercise, you're going to bring out one opposite arm and one opposite leg, where you're going to be bracing your core, inhaling as you extend your opposite arm and leg, and then exhaling as you crunch up underneath, touching your elbow to your knee. Try to maintain as much stability as possible during this movement and avoid your hip from opening up on the sides, and ensuring that you are moving as slow as possible throughout the movement. Next, we'll be doing our push-up into a pike. With a traditional push-up position, you will be then moving onto your toes and rotating your hips upward, placing your head in between your shoulders, and thus mobilizing your scapula and working on hip stability and mobility. The final exercise of today will be our hip airplane. So finding a wall, you'll be making sure that you're opening up your hip and bringing it back down. So really moving around the ball and socket joint while stabilizing on your down foot, and then rotating your hands accordingly in order to maintain proper positioning. On our last day of the week, we're going to be doing our foam rolling. So we're going to be covering our lats, our quads, hamstrings, and we're going to do a thoracic spine extension. Starting off, we'll be using the foam roller on our lats, so right behind the armpits, those upper back muscles that run all alongside the upper right part behind your shoulder, all the way down to the side of your last rib. Now, with this exercise, make sure that you are slowly moving back and forth, anywhere between 15 to 30 seconds. You can also perform this for as long as you would like in order to really express that fascia and increase blood flow to the target muscle. Moving on to our quadriceps, you can move anywhere from vastus medialis, which is on the inside of your thigh, to the outside, the vastus lateralis as pictured here. Ensure that you are not putting it directly on the side of your quad, because that would be on our IT band. So really ensuring that you are more to the side and the top of your thigh in order to express these muscles. Now for foam rolling your hamstrings, place the end of the foam roller beneath your upper right hamstring to start off, just below the glute, and place your hands on the foam roller on either side of your leg. Roll your upper hamstring just enough so that your foot flexes down, and roll it back again. For 30 seconds to a minute, switch sides and repeat for as long as desired. Finally, we're going to be moving to that thoracic spine foam roller extension. So what you're going to be doing is placing the foam roller right across your upper back, where you're going to be placing your hands at your side, almost in a crunch position, inhaling as you extend your spine and descend into the crunch position, and then exhaling as you come up and slowly roll that foam roller as you are in that crunched up position. This is going to help alleviate some of that stress around that shoulder blade area, as well as express that thoracic spine a little bit.